is all you'll need for a simple but nonetheless delicious asparagus soup. Seeing as it was on offer for 10p in Sainsbury's, I couldn't resist making some. You're going to need a potato, an onion, some garlic, some celery, and of course, on offer, asparagus. First thing we're going to do is just cut the stalky ends off the asparagus, and then we're going to get that chopped up, ready for the pan. Into a pan with a bit of oil. I've gone for coconut oil, but use whatever oil you want. Then we're going to chop up the onion and a couple of sticks of celery and go in with them as well as your chopped up broccoli, and just cook them for a few minutes till they soften down a bit. When your veg have wilted down a little, it's time to go in with some salt and pepper, and then it's in with a litre of stock. I've gone for beef stock, but you can use veggie or chicken, whatever you fancy really. And last but not least, in with your garlic and then your potatoes, just to thicken up your soup a little. Then we're going to leave that simmering away for around 30 minutes until everything is mushified. When it's had half an hour or so, then it's time to take it off the heat and get it blended up. Once it's been blended, all that's left to do is put yourself some out, get some nice crusty bread and get stuck in.